What's up, everybody? Today we're looking at another smartphone paying application. This one is really good. I love this application. It's called CashMagnet. The cool thing about this, one, it's international. Almost everybody can use this application. Two, you only need 4 phones. And three, it's extremely passive. Now, it's all you got to do is go to the Google Play Store, type in CashMagnet, just like so. Download it. We already got it downloaded. Go ahead and make an account once you first open the application, and you're going to arrive at this home screen right here. Couple things to note. Right at the top, your balance, the points are roughly every 1,000 is $1. And I'm sitting at about $40.80 available to cash out. But the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your games. And under sponsored, download all these games. You'll actually get points for each one that you download, and it will also add to your passive time. On my home screen, you can see I'm at just about 24 hours, pretty much 24 hours of passive time. So I literally, all I got to do is hit start, and I don't have to touch this phone for a day. That's how passive this application is. Every time you go through some requirements, you're gonna level up. This phone specifically is at level 4. For the next level, I got to just acquire a little bit more points, and I'll be able to go up to level 5. And as you progress in the levels, you're going to be gaining more points per hour on games and surfing. And they also have a couple other features that are coming soon. This is a update from the original version. I've used the original version, and this is way better. Going back to the home screen, you also have a timeline here, and you can check how much points you made each day. And this is per device, so each phone is going to have a different amount of points. So I made roughly 29 cents that day. Making 25 cents on one phone, with the way smartphone paying applications are nowadays, is pretty decent, especially when you don't have to do anything. And again, this is an international app, guys. We need to support more apps like this. The only thing that kind of bums people about this application is it takes a while to pay. It can take up to a month, sometimes longer. But I have my payment history pulled up on their website, and as you can see, I've been paid every single time. I'm just waiting on this one $25 cash out since the end of October, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to get it. I'm not worried about it. I'm just going to keep making my money and keep doing it. The other thing about this application, it has an excellent referral program. You're gonna make 5% of what anybody makes on CashMagnet, and I believe that's for the life of your referral. So it's an extremely awesome referral program. I mean, if you got enough referrals, you wouldn't even have to. I know some people that have a ton of referrals and they don't even use the application, and they still make money every single month, and they don't do anything. All they've done is referred the application. So it's very simple, guys. Just press start. It's going to do its thing. Your other option is to do a watch and install. So basically, you're just gonna, the CashMagnet is gonna look for an advertisement for an application. You're gonna download that application, and it's going to run that game or whatever it's going to run, and it's going to be on your phone for a certain amount of days, and it will actually tell you under your games, right under your sponsored games. I've done a video on watch and install, so I'll leave that in the link in the description below. The other thing I want to tell you guys is, don't be putting this on your lower grade phones. Put this on a higher grade phone. This is an LG Rebel 3. I've also done a review on this phone as well. It has a higher processing speed. It has a more data for downloading games. You're gonna want that. This phone itself has 16 gigs, and as you can see, I've got a bunch of other applications downloaded, a bunch of perk applications, Lotto applications. Let's go ahead and go into the storage real quick. I've got 11 gigabytes already downloaded out of 16. So I still have 4 gigs left. That's great. That's what you're going to want in your phone. I've also got a higher version of Android. This phone has a 7 for version of Android. So that's what you're going to want when you're running CashMagnet. If you try to run this on a lower grade phone, you're going to run into issues. It might be choppy, it might crash. So I would suggest just putting it on a higher grade quality phone, and you're going to see much better results. So I mean, that's pretty much it for how CashMagnet works. Literally, guys, all you got to do is hit start, and it's going to do its thing. Just like that. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, bell notification, all that stuff. I'll be making more videos like this, and you can expect to see them in the playlist that I've created. So till next video, take it easy, guys, and happy earnings as always.